Thanks everyone for watching. This is Brother Chukuma. Today we've done some amazing alkaline food, very simple. We have our lovely fritters and salad as well. Delicious. Some cherry tomatoes, plus our lovely barbecued mushrooms. No meat, no fish, no blood, no starch. And our coconut cream dipping sauce. Woo! Amazing. We tried the spelt fritter. Very simply made. No spice whatsoever. I use the spelt flour, bell peppers, red onions, a little bit of ginger, cayenne pepper, that's all. And the barbecue mushrooms, I put them in the oven with a little bit of grapeseed oil. And we have a lovely salad too, made with 4 seasonal leaves. And we have our cherry tomatoes to go with. It's amazing, delicious. For all those who haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please do it. This is Source of Life, Alkaline Food. Very simple dish, tasty. Every Friday at Source of Life, Stockwell, the best alkaline food right now. I'm really enjoying. This is amazing. And the sauce is actually not spicy at all. I used a little bit of date syrup, organic herbs, spring onions, and coconut cream. It's kind of heavy too, but very light for our digestive system. So I'm sure I'm not gonna feel uncomfortable after a meal like this. It is amazing. Just to show that we don't need meat or fish every day, and that we can have something natural without no butter, no milk. My fritters, I never use butter or milk. Thank you everyone.